The Grenada Cooperative Bank Limited captured 2 awards in the categories of customer service and financial education and empowerment in the 2022 ECCU Bank of the Year Awards. The annual awards ceremony highlights areas in which banks within the OECS have excelled and provided high-quality services to customers. This year, only 8 banks submitted their entries for the 5 categories, but only 5 were selected for the final stage of the competition. The Caribbean Union Bank from Antigua and Barbuda, CIBC First Caribbean Bank, Grenada Cooperative Bank, the Bank of Nevis Limited in St. Kitts and Nevis, in St. Lucia, Bank of St. Lucia Limited and Republic Bank EC Limited, and National Bank of Dominica Limited from the Dominican Republic.
The recipient of the 2022 ECCU Bank of the Year Award for Customer Service, in third place, Grenada Cooperative Bank. In second place, CIBC First Caribbean International Bank, Barbados Limited, Antigua and Barbuda. The recipient of the 2022 ECCU Bank of the Year Award for Financial Education and Empowerment. In third place, Grenada Cooperative Bank. In second place, Bank of St. Lucia.
Capturing the first place position in all 5 categories is the National Bank of Dominica.
The 2022 ECCU Bank of the Year for Corporate Social Responsibility is National Bank of Dominica Limited. And the 2022 ECCU Bank of the Year for Customer Service is the National Bank of Dominica Limited. And the 2022 ECCU Bank of the Year for Financial Education and Empowerment is National Bank of Dominica Limited. And the 2022 ECCU Bank of the Year for Technological Innovation is National Bank of Dominica Limited. The 2022 ECCU Bank of the Year Award for support to micro, small, and medium enterprises goes to the National Bank of Dominica Limited.
Officer in charge of the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank, Tracy Polias, in her remarks spoke of the challenges faced by the banking sector over the past few years, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic,
including cybersecurity risk, maximizing operational efficiencies in turbulent economic times, managing transitions, and managing virtual customer service experiences. Credit risk was also impacted as persons suffered job loss and income loss consequent to the adverse economic environment ushered in by the COVID-19 pandemic. The ECCB responded to some of the challenges faced by banks by supporting the loan moratoria program for banks, where banks offered temporary stay on loan payments to customers.
The award ceremony was held virtually. For GBN News, I am Rena Pett Thomas reporting.